Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well. So students, we have completed the exercise of chapter number 2, life and living things. Today we are gonna do workbook of chapter number 2. So let's start. Question number 1 is state whether the following statements are true or false. We will read these statements and then we will decide whether it's false or true. First one is an organism cannot exist on its own. False, because every organism can exist its own. Statement number 2, organs work together in groups called organ systems. True. Yes, when too many organs combine, then they form an organ system. 3.1 is a light microscope gets its name because it is not very heavy. False. No, it is named because we use light in this microscope. That's why it is known as light microscope. So this statement is false. Fourth one is each of the human senses has its own sense organ. Yes. For example, eyes are used for visualization, skin is for touch, ear is for hearing. Question number 5 is the tongue can detect salty, sweet, sour and bitter taste. Yes, we have read that our tongue can detect these 4 tastes. So it is true. Question number 2 is choose the correct options. First one is which of the following is not part of the circulatory system? You know, our circulatory system consists of arteries, heart and veins. So in these options, lungs is the correct option because lungs is not the part of circulatory system. Statement number 2. In the human eye, the job of the iris is to change the shape of lens, control the amount of light entering the eye, focus the light entering the eye, send signals to brain. So option B is the correct answer, that is control the amount of light entering the eye. Statement number 3 is in the human ear, where is the eardrum? In a canal near the ear flap, in the brain, in the semicircular canal or on the surface of skin. As we know that eardrum is present on the outer ear, so it is present in a canal near the ear flap. Statement number 4 is in the human skin, the dead layer lies above the outer layer, below the fatty layer, below the inner layer, between the inner layer and the outer layer. So the dead skin cell is present above the outer layer. Question number 5 is which of the following is not a taste sensation of tongue? Bitter, salty, spicy or sweet. We know bitter, salty and sweet is the taste sensation. The remaining, that is spicy, this is not the sensation of tongue, so spicy is the correct option. Third question is draw a line between the life processes and its meaning. So students, in this they have given you different life processes and their meaning. The first one is respiration. So respiration means getting energy out of food. So we will match it with getting energy out of food. Second is growing. Growing means increase in length or increasing. So this is gonna match with getting bigger. Reproduction. Reproduction means to produce some offspring. So reproduction matches with making more of the same kind. Next one is movement. Movement means changing the position. So we can match it with going from one place to another. Then one is excretion. Excretion means removing waste material from body. So it will match with getting rid of waste. Next one is response. Response means to behave according to the environment. So it will match with reacting to something. The last one is feeding, like eating. So it will match with taking in nutrients. Question number 4 is label this diagram of an animal cell. Use these words. Students, you have to label this diagram by using these words that are given below. First of all, look at the diagram. You can see there is a nucleus. This one is the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and this is the cell membrane which cover the internal organs. So you can label it. The central part is nucleus. The jelly-like fluid inside the cell membrane is cytoplasm, and the outer covering of the cell is known as cell membrane. In the next, label this diagram of a plant cell. Use these words. Now it's a plant cell given to you, and these are some words that are also given to you. You have to label this diagram according to these words. So students, as you know that plants has a larger vacuole. So this is vacuole. The nucleus is present in the side. This is nucleus. This one is cell membrane, and the most outer covering is the cell wall. This jelly-like fluid is cytoplasm, and these are the chloroplasts, which are responsible for photosynthesis. The next one is write down 3 differences between plant and animal cells. So cell wall is present in plant cell while cell wall is absent in animal cell. Chloroplasts are present in plant cell while these are absent in animal cell. Single large vacuole is present in plant cell while many small vacuoles are present in animal cell. So students, today we have covered question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of workbook. In the next lecture, we will cover the next questions. Up till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.